Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the PDF in a full-featured reader because built-in viewers differ. Adobe Reader and Preview give the most control. Once open, press File Print or Control or CMD+P to reach the print dialog. Make sure paper size and orientation match the target paper, then inspect scaling or size options immediately. These settings determine how the document maps to paper, so set them before proceeding to page range or quality choices. Now adjust scaling. Select Fit to Printable Area to fill margins, shrink oversized pages to avoid clipping, or enter a custom scale percentage like 95% or 110% for fine control. If printing multiple pages per sheet, pick that option and recheck orientation because content may rotate. Change paper size if cropping happens. Always use the print preview to confirm margins and text size. The preview shows exactly how scaling choices affect readability and line breaks, so iterate until clear. Finish by printing a single test page or choosing Print to PDF to lock in scaling and inspect at actual size. If content appears too small, raise the scale in 5 to 15% increments. If clipped, reduce scale or switch paper size. Make sure printer drivers and page setup match the dialog. If things still go wrong, flatten annotations or choose Print as Image to bypass rendering differences. That one trick often resolves mismatched fonts and invisible layers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.